Mitral regurgitation, a comprehensive overview. Anatomy review. Location, between left atrium and left ventricle. Function, allows blood flow from left atrium to left ventricle. Closes during systole to prevent backflow. What is mitral regurgitation? A condition where the mitral valve fails to close properly, causing blood to leak back into the left atrium during systole. Results in volume overload in the left atrium and ventricle. Causes of mitral regurgitation. Primary, structural problem of valve, mitral valve prolapse. Rheumatic heart disease. Endocarditis. Congenital defects. Secondary, due to LV dysfunction, ischemic heart disease. Dilated cardiomyopathy. Left ventricular remodeling. Pathophysiology. The mitral valve fails to close properly during systole. This causes blood to flow backward into the left atrium. As a result, the pressure in the left atrium increases. The increased pressure leads to pulmonary congestion. The left ventricle receives an increased volume of blood. Over time, this volume overload causes left ventricular dilation and failure. Clinical manifestations. Dyspnea, especially on exertion. Fatigue. Palpitations. Orthopnea. PND, paroxysmal nocturnal dyspnea. Holosystolic murmur at apex radiating to axilla. Diagnosis. Auscultation, pansystolic murmur. Echocardiogram, gold standard. Chest X-ray, cardiomegaly, pulmonary congestion. ECG, LA enlargement, AF. Cardiac MRI, in some cases. Severity classification. Mild mitral regurgitation has a regurgitant volume of less than 30 milliliters, regurgitant fraction less than 30%, and effective regurgitant orifice area less than 0.20 square centimeter. Moderate mitral regurgitation has a regurgitant volume between 30 to 59 milliliters, regurgitant fraction between 30 to 49%, and effective regurgitant orifice area between 0.20 to 0.39 square centimeter. Severe mitral regurgitation has a regurgitant volume of 60 milliliters or more, regurgitant fraction 50% or more, and effective regurgitant orifice area of 0.40 square centimeter or more. Management. Medical, diuretics for symptom relief. ACE inhibitors, ARBs, beta blockers, especially if AF present. Anticoagulants, if atrial fibrillation. Surgical, mitral valve repair, preferred. Mitral valve replacement, mechanical or bioprosthetic. Complications. Atrial fibrillation. Heart failure. Pulmonary hypertension. Thromboembolism. Sudden cardiac death, rare. Summary. Mitral regurgitation is equal to backflow of blood due to valve incompetence, caused by primary or secondary issues. Diagnosed with echocardiogram. Managed with meds or surgery based on severity.